Hi YouTube fam, this is Smriti and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have bought another fitness challenge for you guys and you'll see how that went out for me towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. If you haven't guessed already by the title of the video, it's the world famous Chloe Ting's 2-week shred 2020 version. It got released in August 2020. I'm gonna link her website in the description box below, you can check it out from there. So Chloe Ting created this 14-day challenge, and in each day we need to do 3 to 4 workout programs. They can last from 35 to 60 minutes of your daily time, and the equipments which are required are fitness mat and dumbbells and resistance band. They are totally optional. So Chloe Ting originally released 2-week shred program in 2019, and this year in August 2020 she released a new version of 2-week shred. The main difference between 2019 and 2020 version is that 2019 is a little bit easier and it is great for people who are just starting out. 2020 is a 2-week shred, it's way more challenging. So I took this 14-day 2-week shred program 2020 version and also tried to vlog the process after completing every day's workout so that you guys can have every detail. I have also compared day 2 and day 13 exercises towards the end of the video, so you guys can see for yourself how my posture and my form got significantly better from second day to towards the end of the challenge. I will also share my results with you guys towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. I have really struggled a lot in this workout challenge because postpartum I'm really unfit, so a lot of sweat and tears went into creating this video. My diet is a main reason of my concern. I struggle to eat healthy and sometimes I lose motivation for working out. So I work out for some number of days, then I lose motivation. So doing this challenge for 14 days in a row, it was a challenge in itself. I feel so proud to say that I completed my 14-day challenge and so happy with the results I got. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys, day 1 of Chloe Ting's workout is bananas, but I did manage to complete this workout and I'll see you on day 2. Hey guys, so today was day 2 of Chloe Ting's workout and somehow today felt more intense than yesterday's workout, maybe because I'm still sore from the challenge I did yesterday. And I did modify many of the exercises with the low impact versions. It was day 3 of Chloe Ting's workout and I felt that my form was pretty off on day 1 and day 2 of the challenge, but it got significantly better today, so yeah, I'm feeling good about it. And the best part of the workout, today's workout, was the booty challenge, which is towards the end of today's session, and I really hope that it works. And yeah, today's workout was around 45-ish minutes. Tomorrow is day 4, which is the active rest day, so I think I'll see you guys on day 5. So today is day 5 of the challenge. I completed, sorry for the mess going up here, but I completed today's challenge also. And I have to, I did modified many of the low impact versions of the exercises because I think my body is not strong enough to do the low impact versions of many exercises in this challenge, but that's a-okay for me as long as this workout is challenging me. I just wanna say that I'm binging all kinds of junk food, fried food, anything packaged I can put my hands on. I am eating that because I'm a big foodie and I can't resist food, and there's a big festival going on where I live, so I'm just hoping that I do not put on any extra weight while doing this challenge because that would be like bad. So yeah, I'll see you on next day. Bye. So I completed day 6 of the challenge and there was an extra session today which was for rounder hips. I think I like more working out on my lower body as compared to my upper body, and today went really well. My stamina was up today. And yeah, one more thing I want to say, that my Apple Watch, it says that on an average I burn around 300 to 350 calories per session. So I think as a number that sounds really fascinating, but let's see how well it how well it contributes to my overall toning and weight loss. So yeah, so I'll see you next day. Bye. Hi guys, so yesterday was day 7. It was an active rest day. I did zero activity yesterday and took all the rest I can, but today was day 8. I managed to complete all my work. So today's workout, it was a different one than previous days, because the cardio session was different and it involved a lot of jumping and hopping, so it was quite challenging. It is all done. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So day 9 of the workout is all done. I have to share something very realistic with you guys, that although I have been doing these exercises for 9 days now, but still I take longer breaks. My form is improved, so I am still sticking to low impact versions of many exercises. I take longer breaks and I think it's completely fine, and I am so happy with my progress that I have been doing these high impact exercises for 9 days now. Although I modify many of the exercises, but still this is a great start in my fitness journey. And yeah, I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. So today was day 10 and it's all done now, and tomorrow is day 11, which is supposed to be an active rest day. So I'll see you guys on day 12. Today was day 13th, workout is all done, and tomorrow is day 14, which is the last day of the workout. I'm pretty excited, so I will see you guys tomorrow. So today was day 14 and I have completed today's workout also, and with this I have completed 2 weeks shred whole program, and I just can't wait to share results with you guys. The workout video on the left is on day 2nd, and the workout video on the right is taken on 13th day. Let me know in the comment section below what fitness challenge would you like me to do next. Your comments are always appreciated. So smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.